Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Motherhood&More. Hope you all are doing very well. So as promised, I am with my second topic of the grammar series, that is articles. In the first series of this grammar part, I have uploaded the video of the nouns where you can check the noun worksheets. So the next topic is articles, wherein I have taken the three articles which are a, and the. A and an are indefinite articles and the is definite article. My worksheet has a similar pattern. The first page of the worksheet says the rules where he had, like how he has to use a, and the. So I made a grid where a, and the is written along with the rules where he has to use, like at before which nouns, and with particular example of each. Now the second sheet says places where we do not have to use articles actually, like all we could say where the sentences wherein we have to omit the articles before certain words, like proper nouns, special places, meals, exclamations, particularly plural exclamations, generalizations, languages, planets, like that way. Now the next we come to practice sheets. So the practice sheets first says complete the sentence using a, and the. Here I have given him 10 sentences where he has to put in the blank a, and the to make a correct meaningful sentence grammatically. Now the second practice sheet is about using a, and fill in the blanks where the pictures are given as the hints. So now he has to name the picture, like he has to put the noun, and before the noun he has to put the perfect article. The third practice sheet is about complete the sentences using a, and the, where he has to complete the sentence using a, and the. So the pattern in articles worksheet I found was similar, but the way I have put on in different worksheets is slightly different to make it more less boring for him and more entertaining and informative, and he could think that this is something new every time he's practicing. Now the practice sheet 4 says there are incorrect articles in the sentences, correct them from the options. Now here I have written incorrect sentences grammatically, where I have written the articles and have underlined them, and the articles are incorrect, and have given three options below each sentence. So he has to tick mark the correct article from the options. Now practice sheet 5 is about circle the correct article in each sentence. So every sentence has two articles and he has to circle the correct article. For example, I have done first sentence as an example for him. Practice sheet 6 says choose a or an. Now I have made pictorial representation of the nouns, and he has to put the correct article and choose from the two. Now practice sheet 7, he has to do 5 sentences using these words from the checkbox, and he has to put the perfect articles before these nouns. Practice sheet, it has a small story where he has to put a, and the in the fill in the blanks before the words mentioned. Now practice 9 sheet, it has tick correct option from a and an. Here again the pictorial representation along with the noun and the options. Practice sheet 10, it has 9 sentences and 3 options, like all the 3 articles, and he has to tick the correct article to complete the following sentences. Now the articles are actually very important, because I found after doing nouns this is the next thing I should jump on, because it completes when he has actually done with nouns. He has I have given him certain exercises wherein I have given topics to him to write some certain sentences. Now when he has to complete the sentences, articles are must. So to make the sentences grammatically correct and boost up his confidence that he is writing actually grammatically correct, so I have jumped upon articles after nouns. So I must also recommend to all of you that if you have completed with the noun worksheets, please do start with the articles because they are really very supportive in helping them understand the sentence formation. So if you need these article worksheets, do mention in the comments below along with your emails, and I will surely send you the PDF of this workbook. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notifications of our next coming videos. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.